Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rania Badani. Number 1. Essay type question. Pharmacology and the role of pharmacists. Pharmacology is the branch of medicine that focus on the study of drugs, their effects on the human body, and how they are absorbed, metabolized, and anchored. This discipline is essential for the development of new drugs and understanding how existing medication work. Pharmacists play a critical role in ensuring that medications are prescribed and administered properly to achieve the desired therapeutic effects while minimizing adverse effects. One key area in pharmacology is pharmacokinetics, which looks at how the body absorbs, distributes, metabolizes, and eliminates drugs. Another important aspect is pharmacodynamics, which is the study of the effects drugs have on the body, including their mechanisms of action and therapeutic use. For example, antibiotics are used to treat bacterial infection while analgesics are prescribed for pain relief. Pharmacists must also be aware of drugs interaction, where on drugs may affect the effectiveness or side effects of another. In addition, contraindication are conditions or factors that make the use of certain drugs dangerous or inappropriate. It is crucial for pharmacists to monitor and educate patients about the proper use of medication to ensure optimal therapeutic outcomes. Read the text quickly to identify the main ideas. Based on your skimming, answer the following question. A. What is the primary focus of pharmacology? Answer. The primary focus of pharmacology is the study of drugs, including their effects on the human body and how they are absorbed, metabolized, and excreted. B. Name two areas of pharmacology mentioned in the text and explain their relevance. Answer. Pharmacokinetics studies how drugs move through the body, including absorption, distribution, metabolism, and elimination, which is important for determining proper dosage and timing. Pharmacodynamics examines how drugs affect the body, including their mechanisms of action and therapeutic effects, helping to understand how drugs produce their instant outcomes. Number 2. The development of generic drugs has become a significant aspect of the modern pharmaceutical industry. Generic drugs are copies of brand name drugs that are produced on the original patent express. They are required to have the same active ingredient, dosage form, and strength as the brand name drugs. Generic drugs offer a more affordable alternative for patients and healthcare system, particularly in countries with limited resources. The approval process for generic drugs is rigorous, ensuring that they meet the same standard of safety, effectiveness, and quality as the brand name drugs. This process involves clinical trials and bioequivalence studies to demonstrate that the generic drugs perform in the same way as the original drugs. Despite this, the affordability of generic drugs can be limited by factors such as manufacturing cost and market competition. One major issue with generic drugs is that they may not be as readily available as the brand name drugs, particularly in less developed countries. Pharmaceutical companies often prioritize manufacturing brand name drugs, leaving generic alternatives in limited supply. Additionally, some patient and healthcare providers might be reluctant to switch to generic drugs, fearing that the quality might not match the original. However, regulatory bodies such as the U.S. Food and Drug Administration and the European Medicines Agency have strict regulation is pledged to ensure that generics are safe and effective. In the context of modern healthcare, the role of pharmacies becomes increasingly important in educating patients about the benefit and safety of generic drugs. Pharmacists must also work in healthcare providers to address concerns regarding the use of generics and ensure that patients are receiving appropriate medication. The increasing reliance on generic drugs in the global healthcare system presents both challenges and opportunities for pharmacists as they play a central role in the distribution and education surrounding this medication. Question. Based on the past, discuss the benefits and challenges associated with the use of generic drugs in modern healthcare. How do pharmacies contribute to the success of generic drugs use? And what role do they play in addressing patient concerns? Specific examples for the patient to support and use ensure. Based on the past, the use of generic drugs in modern healthcare provides important benefits but also presents several challenges. Pharmacies play a key role in maximizing these benefits while addressing the associated concerns. Number 3. A patient comes to the pharmacist to pick up a newly prescribed medication for hypertension. Upon receiving the prescription, the patient expresses confusion about the correct dosage and potential side effects of the medication. The patient also asks if there are any cheaper alternatives to the prescribed medication. As a pharmacist, you need to provide clear information and suggest a proper solution. Answer. How would you manage the conversation with the patient regarding the medication dosage, potential side effects, and alternative drugs? Answer. Listen to patient and confirm the prescription details. Number 2. How would you educate the patient on the proper use of the medication and explain the potential side effects in a way that is easy to understand? As well, how to use take daily at the same time, do not stop suddenly. Number 3. What step would you take if the patient asks for a cheaper alternative to the prescribed medication, and how do you ensure that the alternative remains safe and effective? Answer. Check for a generic version or a cheaper drugs in the same class. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.